Attention, the following program contains violence, loud ass tones, Chuck Norris, and insanely modified text-to-speech voices. If you don't feel comfortable with anything mentioned, well then, don't take it too serious. Get a fucking sense of humor. Your discretion is advised.
This message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey State Police and the New Jersey National Guard. A civil emergency message has been issued for all of New Jersey in effect until further notice. The State Police and the National Guard have reported a famous man named Chuck Norris attacking people and vandalizing properties. He is very difficult to be taken down at this time. Chuck Norris was last seen wearing a black vest and black pants. He is about 5 feet 10 inches tall with brown hair and dark-colored eyes. Do not attempt to confront this person. He can be very aggressive and can kill you within a second. All phone lines within all of New Jersey will be suspended at this time. Do not call 911. And do not use your cell phones. Law enforcement agencies will do their best to deal with the situation. Be sure to stay in your homes or in a reliable shelter. If you are outdoors, find a nearby reliable shelter. Do not wait until he comes to attack you, because if you do, you could give him a chance to beat you up extremely badly. Oh, what the? Chuck Norris is here. He has managed to breach into this office, and I wasn't even done talking yet. No, please don't do this. Ow, have mercy, ow. Now I'm dying. Everybody, take cover now, please. Ouch.
Ha. Everyone who is receiving this alert must take immediate action, because I, Chuck Norris, will now start vandalizing more property. However, if you don't seek shelter in a basement or lower part of your homes, I will roundhouse kick any one of you in sight. Fear me.
We're sorry to interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important details and instructions will follow. This message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. A famous man named Chuck Norris has been reported attacking people and vandalizing properties. Multiple states have received many reports of Chuck Norris. States include New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, and Ohio. It is unknown at this moment if this situation will spread or stop. At this time, all residents should be on the lookout for Chuck Norris. Do not attempt to attack him because he is very deadly and aggressive. If you are indoors, stay inside and do not bother to get out. If you are outside, quickly find a reliable shelter to hide in. Do not wait until Chuck Norris comes to attack you, because if you do, you will give him a chance to beat you up extremely badly. Oh shit. Chuck Norris is here. He has managed to breach into this office and I wasn't even finished talking yet. Ouch. Now, I'm dying.
Ha. Everyone who is receiving this alert must take immediate action, because I, Chuck Norris, will now start vandalizing more property. However, if you don't seek shelter in a basement or lower part of your homes, I will roundhouse kick any one of you in sight. Fear me.
Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The following message was transmitted by the Ontario Provincial Police. This is not a test. A man named Chuck Norris had previously invaded portions of the United States and breached into the province of Ontario. The areas include Toronto, Ottawa, Windsor, Sault Ste. Marie, and Niagara Falls. There has been reports of people beaten by this man. Chuck Norris is capable of destroying public property and he can roundhouse kick anyone to death. If you see any property being vandalized in your area, take cover and seek shelter in a basement or the lowest part of your homes immediately. Do not wait until he breaks open the front door of your house, because if you do, you could give him a chance to beat you up extremely badly. Oh shit. It's Chuck Norris. He's here. He has managed to break into the EPWS headquarters, and I wasn't even done talking yet. No. This hurts really bad. Ouch, ouch. Please have mercy. Ouchie, please, oh man, please. Ouch. Now I'm dying. Take cover, guys, please. Ouch.
Ha. Hello, Canada. I am your new nightmare. Everyone who is receiving this alert should take immediate action, because I, Chuck Norris, will now start vandalizing more property. I will attack anyone who gets in my way. Your government buddies cannot help you anymore. Ha. So, if you're scared, well then, that's too fucking bad. However, if you refuse to seek shelter, or if you want to stay out in the open, then I will roundhouse kick your sorry ass and said, fear me.
Thank you very much, everybody.